22 cool room ideas for teens. Rocking the new Boho Chic, this arty space featured on Lady Scorpio sets layer upon layer of rich and cozy textiles against a clean, minimalist background, creating a teenage dream room that's as cozy as it is cool. A string of twinkling accent lights adds a warm and glowy ambiance while doubling as a place to pin up pictures, postcards, and other treasures in this modern pink and gray teen room scene of arch zine. Have a teenage DIYer on your hands? Keep those crafting supplies under control by providing your teen with their own personal crafting station. A pair of comfortable, low-profile beanbag chairs placed at the bottom of the bed offer flexible seating in this teenage boy's room from Decoration 7/24. A loft bed is a simple way to double your teenager's personal space, and what teenager couldn't use a little more of that? A simple IKEA bookshelf makes for a stylish room divider, creating a separate workspace in this bright and airy teen room seen on Instagram. This bold geometric-themed girls' room, spotted on Pinterest, packs a lot of style into a small space. From the faux exposed brick wall and gunmetal office furnishings to the show-stopping, chain-hung bed made from salvaged barn wood, this one-of-a-kind teen room, featured on Decor Pad, is positively dripping with rustic, industrial charm. Rich and moody, this teenage dream room, spotted on Pinterest, couldn't be more glam if it tried. Cozy, oversized floor cushion, like the one pictured in this soft and feminine Pinterest find, is a great way to add additional seating to your teen's room. Sleepover guests? No problem. This comfy addition also doubles nicely as a guest bed. A simple, industrial-style loft bed makes room for a full-sized pull-out couch in this minimalist yet masculine teen room spotted on City Farm House. What teenage girl wouldn't love to hang out in this stunning macrame hammock suspended from a simple, rustic wood loft bed in this bright bohemian gem of a bedroom from Instagram? This clean-cut teen room by Urbanology Designs keeps things simple, rocking its music-loving theme without danger of seeming too cutesy or over the top. With a pillow-lined bed tucked into a corner, this babe cave bedroom spotted on Dormify saves space while creating a comfortable place to lounge with friends. Just pile up the cushions and get comfy. A large industrial dolly and a set of floor cushions make for a perfect place to catch up on homework, play a game, or even just grab a snack with friends in this rustic, shared teen room from Decoria. This minimalist Instagram find blends Nordic and Bohemian traditions, incorporating soft textures, twinkle lights, a cozy floor bed, and an oh-so-boho macrame swing. It's a comfortable, lived-in look that's perfect for a busy teen. A sheet of wire fence liner, stretched and mounted directly to the wall, makes for a one-of-a-kind photo collage in this simple teen room spotted on Pinterest. Simplicity rules in this understated yet undeniably rad teen room spotted on Decoria. A pair of chaise lounges is the perfect place to curl up and gossip with a friend in this bold black, white, and yellow teen room from Tater Tots and Jello. On the wall behind, a selfie-themed gallery wall enhances the teen scene vibe. This fresh and contemporary attic hangout space, spotted on Pinterest, has everything a teenage girl squad could ever want. Teenage makeup maven hogging the bathroom? With an oversized mirror, flattering lighting, and room for all those beauty must-haves, this glam bedroom vanity, found on Pinterest, is your ticket to a morning free of sibling squabbles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.